Hello, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
In urban environments, emergencies and disasters can strike unexpectedly, requiring individuals to be prepared to handle a wide range of challenges. A well equipped urban survival kit can provide the essential tools and supplies needed to navigate these situations safely and effectively. So, in this video, we're going to outline the key components of an urban survival kit, including the essential tools, supplies, and equipment to help you prepare for emergencies in urban settings. You will notice several items from traditional bug out bags aren't included in this specific urban survival kit. And this is because in a more urban environment, things like tents or large amounts of food generally aren't going to be needed, as you can scavenge and find shelter much more easily in cities and suburbs. A pry bar. A pry bar is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including prying open doors or windows, removing debris, or gaining access to shelter. Choose a compact and durable pry bar that can easily fit in your urban survival kit. Hatchet. A hatchet is a valuable tool for cutting wood, building shelter, and processing firewood. So look for a lightweight and compact hatchet with a sturdy blade and comfortable handle for ease of use in urban environments. Food. In an urban situation, lean towards energy bars, trail mix, and other lighter weight food items. Due to the larger concentration of people, you have a much better likelihood of finding things like canned food and other foods during scavenging. USB storage device. Storing your important documents, identification, and digital copies of emergency contacts on a USB storage device. This will ensure that critical information is easily accessible in the event of an emergency. Multi-tool. A multi-tool combines several essential tools into one compact and portable device, making it ideal for urban survival kits. Choose a multi-tool with features like pliers, screwdrivers, knives, scissors, and bottle openers for maximum versatility. Firearm. In situations where personal safety is a concern, a firearm can provide an added layer of protection. Be sure you are properly trained and licensed to carry and use a firearm, and follow all local laws and regulations regarding the firearm ownership and use. A knife. A sturdy and reliable knife is an essential tool for cutting, slicing, and performing a variety of tasks in urban survival situations. So choose a high-quality knife with a sharp blade and comfortable grip for everyday carry in your urban survival kit. Cash. Keep a small amount of cash in your urban survival kit for buying essential supplies or accessing services during emergencies. Choose a mix of small bills and coins for flexibility. Also, use a coin purse or small cloth bag for your change. This will keep it from making any noise. Work gloves. Protect your hands from injury and debris with a pair of durable work gloves. Choose gloves with reinforced palms and fingers for added durability and grip. N95 mask. An N95 mask provides protection against airborne particles, pollutants, and contaminants in urban environments. Keep a supply of N95 masks in your survival kit to safeguard against respiratory hazards during emergencies. Safety glasses. Safety glasses provide eye protection from dust, debris, and other airborne hazards. Choose a pair of safety glasses with shatterproof lenses and a comfortable fit for extended wear. A spork and a can opener. In your urban survival kit, include a spork for eating meals on the go and a compact can opener for accessing canned food items you find or carry with you. These tools will provide convenience and versatility for food preparation and consumption during emergencies. Silcock key. A Silcock key is a specialized tool used to access outdoor water sources, like spigots or hydrants, in urban environments. Include a Silcock key in your survival kit to access emergency water supplies if you need to. Glow sticks, flashlights, and headlamp. Illuminate your surroundings and maintain visibility in low light conditions with glow sticks, flashlights, and headlamps. Choose reliable and durable lighting options with long battery life for extended use during emergencies. Fire starter. Pack a reliable fire starter like waterproof matches, a ferro rod, or a butane lighter to ignite fires for warmth, cooking, and signaling in urban survival situations. Duct tape. Duct tape is a versatile adhesive tape that can be used for repairs, improvisations, and first aid applications. So include a roll of duct tape in your survival kit for securing items, sealing leaks, and patching wounds. Bivy. A bivy, or emergency shelter, provides protection from the elements and helps retain body heat in urban survival situations. Choose a lightweight and compact bivy that can be easily packed and deployed as needed. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit is essential for treating injuries and medical emergencies in urban environments. Include bandages, gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and other essential first aid supplies in your survival kit. Sewing kit. A sewing kit allows you to repair clothing, gear, and equipment in urban survival situations. So pack needles, threads, buttons, and patches in a compact sewing kit for on-the-go repairs. Super glue. Super glue is a fast-acting adhesive that can be used to repair broken items, seal wounds, and secure materials in urban survival situations. So include a small tube of super glue in your survival kit for emergency repairs. Paracord. Paracord is a durable and versatile cordage that can be used for a wide range of tasks like shelter building, gear repair, and first aid applications. So pack several lengths of paracord in your survival kit for various emergency situations. Water bottle and water filter. Stay hydrated and access clean drinking water with a reusable water bottle and portable water filter. Choose a lightweight and durable water bottle with a wide mouth for easy filling and cleaning, and a compact water filter for purifying water from natural sources. Well, there you have it, your urban survival kit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also check out this video YouTube has chosen from your watch history for you to watch next.